tougher than woodpecker lips, that one is. Also works as a debarker, huh? So Nutsy, did this beaver use the Humboldt to cut this down, or was it the triple hinge? I guess I'm not sure. Can you tell by the sawdust chips there? Frosting, or as some people call it, snow, it's really bad on Lowboys track machines. That turns to glare ice. Hard to keep them on there. So, should get that snow off there just in case I want to move something. Some people might sweep it off, and that works. Some people think more power is better. Some people would probably think I'd use a flamethrower, which is a good idea. But for some reason, I've been banned from that. So, I gotta go to Angie's idea. Let's try to blow it off. Probably should plug it in, huh? Alright, let's try this. Okay, that was kind of an experiment. I'd never done that before. Yeah, it wouldn't work with wet snow, would it? Oh well, I tried. We're missing a lamp cover on the clearance lights on the Lowboy truck. Uh-huh. I better put that on there before somebody thinks this truck belongs to a different trucking crew. It's 9 wonderful degrees out this morning. Oh, good thing I didn't eat my Wheaties this morning. I'll flip that up so I'm gonna have to stand on top of the cat. Gotta go back to the shop, get the new lens. There it is. Uh-huh. Did you ever notice you can't find a flat screwdriver unless you're looking for a Phillips? Yeah, that's how it works. I don't know if there's a flat or Phillips screwdriver up there, so I'm gonna take a bunch. Oh, there's a custom wrench for you. You want that one? It's a 15 mil. I just crawled up here and realized I should check to see if this light worked. Should turn the lights on before I put this together. I'm not too bright. That's what's left of the old one. I'm gonna fit that. Doesn't seem like it's catching. Let's try this. No? That lip should catch. I had to dig a bunch of ice out of there. And now I'm done. We'll call that good, huh? Hopefully it'll light up. Well, the oil was almost to the top. Just a little bit in the ad. In the crosshatch. You know what I'm talking. Yeah. Kung Fu crosshatching. What's this? Oh. One of the door latches is a little rusted. Okay, let's see. Let's turn on some lights. See if they work. Well, the good news is the one I just put in works. It's a little different color than the other faded ones. But this one on the end doesn't work. The proper way to fix a light. Yeah, I guess if that doesn't work, then you got to resort to actually taking the cover off. So I just called to order new light bulb. And I found a bag up on the wall. Clearance 357. Our Lowboy truck's a 357 Peterbilt. Clearance light. And I had one. That's right. We'll have some spares now. Wow, it was just a little corroded down inside that socket. That's what was wrong. One final check. Looks good. Let's call this truck project wrapped up. On to the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.